What should I expect for project closeout and warranty? This is commonly missed or not asked by a lot of clients, but um, it is very important. And what we do from Hemingway Construction standpoint is we think about the project closeout, warranty, and service of the building from day one. So project closeout includes the finalization of an owner and architect punch list to satisfaction. At the end of the project, a punch list will be generated. Hemingway Construction will then go through, complete the punch list to a satisfactory manner, and they will sign off, and the project is done. We will then hand off a closeout package, which consists of any as-built drawings. So those are the drawings that were issued, marked up for any changes that happened during the construction process. If a duct moved, etc., we'll mark it up on the plans. Those are the as-built drawings. There's also things like shop drawings for casework, kitchen cabinetry, things of that nature. All the equipment manuals, so every piece of equipment will have a manual and its own warranty, and oftentimes the owner of the building has to go through and register those pieces of equipment. So we'll hand all that off with instructions to the client. And then the photo documentation, which we discussed earlier, is that 360 photo documentation tied to the plans. Service contracts for any and all equipment installed requiring regular maintenance and service. This is something we always look to do. If it's not the installing contractor, we try to find the right service contractor for the project that works, well. If it's a, data center, you're gonna need a totally different service contractor for your HVAC than if it's a apartment complex. There's just different guys who do those different type of service contracts. There might be building management systems that need to be maintained, and there might be new heavy equipment that comes with service contracts. It's very important that those service contracts are handed off to the client and they understand what is required, because the problem is with a lot of buildings, they just get handed off, and the new owners, whether they be like a condo association or an apartment complex owner, they don't know what's required to maintain that building, and you can have brand new equipment within 1 or 2 years start to fail if it's not properly maintained, and that's, it's just a tragedy. So we take that very seriously, and we make sure to hand that off and have clients at least get their first year service.